And again, I encourage everyone to have your digitize the notes, and later I will demonstrate how to do that. And we just calculated the mean and standard deviation of those two data, and now I suggest you to use this one, the calculator, the online application. Okay, and okay, test. Okay, test. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. I encourage you to use the calculator. It's easier. And now, for example, I have this one. I have two columns of data here. The heart attack is on the yellow background, and the healthy people are in the blue background. And now and at first one, the tails, generally you can set the two tails, group 1 that is not equal to the group 2, and significant level from the textbook. Okay, 0.01. Okay, then outliers included and methods automatically. Okay, then enter the raw data directly, so we can copy the information here from the first data to the number 28, copy, and paste it here. And the second one, group 2, yeah, the same way, from 196, and copy, paste it to the group 2. Okay, then we can click calculate, and we got the answer. The first one, simple average, that's 253.92. Okay, and actually I got the same value from the Google Office, so I think maybe something wrong from the textbook, here. The second mean, the second average, that's 193.13. The same one, and the same as the textbook here. Okay, next we need to get the standard deviation. Standard deviation of sample number 1, group number 1 and group number 2 here. And from the calculation, we got the sample standard deviation 47.710, the same one here, and I got the answer, but it's a little bit different. 47.06. Oh, I think I can email to the author to respond to this, to report this potentially mistake the answer. Okay. And the second one, the second is here. Sample standard deviation 22.3, the same one as my calculation, and the same one as the textbook. Okay, then the number here and the T statistic, the T number, the T score is 6.051. And I got this about the normality. And outliers, ranking, U. Oh, okay. Here it has no t-score. No problem. And here p-value is 0.00000. There are 5 zeros, 0.1. Sorry, 0.5 zeros and 1. It's very small. Very small. Okay. Then the z-score is here. The z-score is here, and the accepted interval is here. Confidence interval of 99%. 99% is here, and the effect size is here. Okay, and now we know one thing. Okay, method. Okay, our score. No, we don't need that. Okay, because the p-value is very small, smaller than 0.01. That it means 1%. So we can reject the hypothesis, and get the reject the non-hypothesis, and we can say the cholesterol level from heart attack patients is different from healthy people. That's the conclusion. And we think the confidence of 99%. Okay, let me have a different issue here. You may ask, okay, $1, how can write notes from here? Okay, let me just a reminder. About our grading policy, it's optional. It's optional. Okay, students who want to pursue higher scores, the other 20%. First one, you need to fit the requirement from the group A. The second one, you can place assignment or notes on a public website. What does it mean, public website? No Instagram, no Facebook, no X, Twitter, because you need to register an account in order to the content inside. Here, the public website, it means as long as you can serve by the browser, you can use browser to read the content directly. That is public website or homepage, and this part is 20%. And later, for example, here is the report for last year. If you use the same website, you can use it again. Next time, I will give you a report. You can report it to me. The serial number and your website here. Okay, that's year. For this year, I will give extra here. And sure, you can do some creative works. For example, you can do something related to our course, to translate some books or translate some articles or some academic poster like this one. This part is optional. That is 20%. Okay, then now let me show you how to write digital notes like this one. Okay. Oh, for example, this is my personal blogger, and sure, you can use any kind of blogger. That's okay. And sure, you can publish your notes on the website, then share the information to your personal Instagram, Facebook, or any kind of social media. That's okay. And I have new post. Click new post. I prefer to use the ISO 18601 data format. ISO, you know, ISO is from Switzerland, and the format can be used for everyone. No problem. I will check it. Okay, then For example, class assignment, example 9.3.1, two sample t-test, and we, sure, the first thing you need to state the source of your information. You can do this. Copy. And here. Source. Oh, that's not good. Not good. Then here, the order. Copy. And move to the question. Example 9 point. And sure, then click the website, copy the website, and insert the hyperlink to the texts. Okay, and actually, last class I shared how to move the information, the data, to the Google Office, like this one. And this moment, you can select it and copy and paste it. Calculated by Google Sheet, like this one, and then I copy here, applications, and sure, here is the text, and we can copy the link and paste. Okay, and done. And next, you can copy the information from our Google Office. Copy the 28 data in a column and move it here. And copy the other 30 data sets, copy on the group 2. Then set the significant label as the alpha to 0.01 as the textbook mentioned. Then click answer, click calculate. We got the average here, and we try. Let me check. Oh, sorry, no. And undo. Then what can we do? What can we do? We can use the screenshot. Okay, then copy and move to the Blogger. And insert a picture. And insert it. Okay, and done, and done. And the conclusion is the p-value is very small. Yeah, you can copy paste here. Okay. Okay. Here is the highlight. Since p-value is smaller than alpha, non-hypothesis is rejected. Here is the key point. The key point. Okay, and update. And update. Okay, and how about 5 minutes? You can finish these notes. Finish these notes, and let me share these notes with you on the. Okay, let's take a look at the. Okay, 5 minutes. Please write down the notes like this one, like this one. Then we can move to next question. Any question, please let me know. Okay, any question? Yeah. Yeah, if you want to get the optional 20% of the score, you can write a digital notes as I mentioned. Like this one, I mentioned that's the optional. That's optional. This one. This one. Write down your class assignment. Oh, sorry, not class assignment, and publish on the public website. What does it mean, public website? Anyone can read it directly without register. For example, no, the X Twitter, Facebook, Instagram is not the best choice. You can publish your content on that website. Okay, but I encourage you to use the public website. Any reader can read it directly without the register an account. For example, if you publish any content on the Twitter X, you need to have account in order to read it. It's not good. It's not good. But for my website, anyone can read it. So nice one. Because I publish, you can see Blogspot. That is from Google Spot, Google Blogger. Okay, sure. Maybe you have your own website. You can use the website to read those, to publish your content, your class assignments. That's one way. That's one way. Actually, but do not restrict yourself on my website. You can apply for a website. For example, in the past years, you can look at big screen. In the past years, last year they have a lot of website here. For example, here, the student. Yeah, that similar like this one. Similar like that. You don't need to do that because what I just need to copy and send to online group. Save your time. We are in the digital era. Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, and here is the some dev notes from, some digital notes from this year. From this year. like this one. Excuse me. Here is a computer classroom. If you want to just walk out, just walk out. Yeah. That is the including me. When I need to drink water, I walk out. So any question for writing the digital notes? Yeah, that's the other 20% of the score. Looks okay. One minute, please. You see? Yeah, we're gonna do for you. As the same previous one. Yeah, sure. Maybe later or maybe next week I will create a report like a previous a table. Then all students can report their student number and their website. No, that is for last year, and I'm going to create a new one. Sorry. Okay. Let me do it now. Let me do it. And okay, and let me show you how to create a table. Then student can report it to me. And here the same folder, new. Oh, 1 minute, please. Let me finish this part. Google document. Yeah, it depends on what you want to report. Okay, and for example, I created a table here, and okay, and now here is key point. If you are not familiar with how to operate this, and now I want to here share, and here general access, I change it to anyone with this link, and change it from the viewer to editor. And remember, because everyone know this link can edit this file, so please be careful. Don't touch other people's information, and copy link and paste it to our line group. And okay, and copy done. And I move to our website. Here is my website. Click it here. Okay, here is last year. Okay, and I select the link. I select the texts, place the link, and paste, and done, and update, and update. Okay, then you can go to my website. Website here, and where? Here, click here, click here. Okay, get it? Okay. Actually, I want to share one information. The website hyperlink is very powerful, but you need to know how to make it powerful. You need to learn how to insert your digital your website, and update your website, and insert your notes here. That is my true purpose to ask you to learn this skill. Is it okay? Okay. How about have a 10-minute break? Then we can come back.